Agency of American Family.
That is exactly right. Thank you so much.
Yay! No, thank you. We love being able to, highlight different folks, different businesses, all in the, Eagle Country. And so today we get to highlight you. So, and plus we have an event as well.
We do. So I'm going to invite everyone to an event on Friday, October 30th. So this coming Friday, we're going to be at the parking lot in my agency, which is also in Church on Fire. So the address is 10548 Harrison Avenue, Suite 300, Harrison, Ohio. The event is from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. and we've got all kinds of fun things going on. We're going to be providing Child ID and record kits, which includes fingerprinting, lots of candy. We will all be in costumes, and we encourage little ones to come out in costume, but they're welcome no matter. And of course, we've got a lot of people homeschooling right now, so we would love for people to bring those children out as well as the little ones in strollers. We enjoy seeing them in costume, and we're going to be providing all kinds of stuff. We teamed up with Haley at Paul Davis Restoration, and so she's going to be grilling hot dogs, so free lunch. Come get a hot dog and a bag of chips. She's going to have a prize wheel, so we're going to be spinning for lots of prizes from that 10 to 11 o'clock, or 10 o'clock to 1 o'clock time. And we are going to have the Harrison fire truck there, so we're encouraging people to get their photo in front of the fire truck. Now, heavens forbid there's a fire run. Of course, that trumps us, but we do expect them to be there, and they've already confirmed. So do you have any questions for me on that event?
I mean, my goodness, this is so much, great stuff going on. So this is kind of a mixture of Halloween and then also fire prevention, as well as, I know we got the Child ID kit. Tell me a little more about the child or the fire prevention. What's that?
I really appreciate that you said that, because yes, we are focusing on October is Fire Prevention Month. So Paul Davis Restoration is going to be giving literature out on preventing fires. We're going to have Sparky the dog there, which of course is the fire prevention dog. So that'll be wonderful. The kids can see him, and we're going to be focusing on that, which is why, of course, we included the Harrison fire truck. So we know that October is an important month to talk about this, and if we can spread some education in that area, we certainly want to do it.
Well, that's fantastic. I mean, that's a really great thing. Also, now I know we're talking about, where this event is the parking lot of the Church on Fire, also next to Flex Nutrition there in Harrison. But now one of the things, now say I want to go search on, is there a Facebook? Is there a website? How can I get some more information? And also, how can I get in touch with you about maybe some insurance needs?
Thank you, Jack. I appreciate that. So you can get a hold of me by calling 513-202-9922, which is my agency's number, and it's 27 years experience at your service. We serve nonprofits, individuals, and business owners. We just want to make sure they're getting the best bang for their buck. We focus in Indiana and Ohio, and we are, again, in that same parking lot with Church on Fire. We're down by Flex Nutrition. We're going to have cones blocked off so the kids are safe to roam around with their hot dog and their chips and getting their candy from the bucket, and we're just going to have a great time there. And we look forward to you finding us on Facebook, which is Doris Gibbons Insurance Agency of American Family, or you can certainly call 513-202-9922 if you have any other questions. But it's going to be a lot of fun. We're friendly folks, so come out and see us. Grab some freebies. There's going to be some amazing prizes, including gift cards and stuffed animals and all kinds of neat things.
Well, I mean, we're all kind of searching for fun, good, stress-free things to do. This will be a great way. You get the kids, you get the family, you get a little food, a little bit of fun, a little bit of everything, and you might even get a little information in the process.
You definitely will get a little information in the process. You're definitely going to have fun. I will have to say, since it's an outdoor event, it is going to have to be weather permitting. So heavens forbid there's a tornado, and I've worked through a few of those. We won't be holding this, but it looks like it's going to be great weather, maybe 50 degrees, so a chilly fall day, and we're going to make it fun for everyone. Thank you.
Oh, that's fantastic. Well, thank you so much for coming in, pass along all the information. This is great. Again, don't forget to try and search out if you do need this. It's also going to be posted at the Chamber website as well. Make sure we can try and, pass that along as well. So this has kind of been our Highlight Harrison, presented by the Greater Harrison Chamber. To learn more about this free member benefit and other great member opportunities with the Chamber, visit GreaterHarrisonCC.com. And of course, this has been myself and Doris Gibbons.
Thank you so very much.
And thank you so much. It's been Eagle Country 99.3.